Am I being detained?
No, you're not detained, but I'm finna run.
Then give me my ID back and let me go.
I'm gonna run it.
Then I am detained.
Didn't they ask you?
It's an unlawful
Didn't they
detainment.
ask you not to come over there?
It's unlawful.
Didn't they ask you
It
not to
doesn't
come
matter.
over there? They didn't want you recording.
It's public property. It doesn't
But
matter.
if you are causing an uproar at the
I'm not
citizens,
causing anything. They did it.
you inside doing all that recording? No, you don't do that.
That's constitutionally protected activity. I'm not disturbing them.
Don't go back. I'm telling you now.
You might want to get a hold of your attorney.